how to set the traps.
All right, guys, it's the first day of Pennsylvania season, Saturday. It rained all night last night. We're down here at the field we trapped last year. We're only gonna set a few traps. Later in the week, I gotta go down to Kentucky. One of my buddies from the military is getting married, so we're gonna set only, like I said, a few traps and see what happens here the first half of the week. And hopefully we can connect here before Roman leaves. Stay tuned here. Roman has something to share. What's up, buddy?
I'm gonna have my early birthday today, so.
Oh, we have an early birthday party for Roman here this evening. So how old are you gonna be? Tell your viewers and fans how old.
8.
He's gonna be 8 years old. So we're down here on this point. If you watched one of my, I'm trying to think, my first location video this year, you'll see that big point on the drone. This is where we're gonna set. Stay tuned, folks. We're gonna set up a double dirt hole. All right, folks, we're down here on this point. Trap of choice, Bridger 1 3/4 offset jaw, double stake swivels, 2 rebar stakes. As I stated before, I'm still old school. Large trowel, small trowel for my holes, hammer, sifter, cotton balls. We're gonna try something different this year. I'm gonna use cotton balls as like a lure holder. This first week we're supposed to get nothing but rain every day. And pan covers being toilet paper. So we're on this point. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rip out a little trap bed here. So these are freshly waxed traps. So what I do is I take my trowel and I'm just gonna take that trowel and file off the wax. That way, it's not super slippy. And then it won't snap on my fingers. So, go ahead and put that back. Push our stakes in. So our stakes are gonna go in
There. So they're gonna go in right down. He's gonna hammer them in. I don't know what he's gonna do with them though, but I'll watch him. Hey, look, guys, it's me. Right here with him.
Right now it's so early season, we don't have to worry about freezing up.
Yeah, because we got gloves, and this, I can't show you guys, okay. And we won't have to worry about doing it.
So there's that. What I'm gonna do is take my pan cover, toilet paper, can't beat it.
Yep, you can't.
Sprinkle just a little bit on there. Now what we're gonna do is take this little shovel, rip them out, and I'm gonna put 2 dirt holes in. And I'm gonna take them at an angle across this pan. So that way, these animals, they have to step on this pan in order to get their nose in the hole. As a real subtle backing, I'll bring this guy here around, and you can see this hole here needs dug out a little better. But you can see, and they come in, straight in, straight in. So let's finish sifting this dirt. We're gonna take some fox pea. What I'm gonna do is put that fox pea right here in the middle. I like the fox pea in the middle because what's the point of him sniffing over here, coming in on this angle, if he could come straight in? Sniff the pea, sniff your lure, boom, you got him. So we're gonna take a cotton ball. Take a cotton ball. We're gonna take two because that one already fell down in the hole. And just set it right there. And as you noticed, I took my gloves off to lure. And I'm using my own personal lure here. So on this one, I'm gonna use number 1. Put it on that cotton ball, throw it down in the hole. And after number 1, let's go with a number 4. Throw it right on that cotton ball. Kick that right down in the hole. And that there, folks, completes our set. So you can see, trap right here, hole 1, hole 2. And they got to cross over, pan to get into that hole, cross over the pan to get into that hole, and our urine's right in the middle. And that backing is very subtle, maybe 1.5 inches, 2 inches.